Today we're going to take a look at a really nice kit. This is new. This is Milwaukee's impact driver and hammer drill combo kit. With that, you're obviously getting the 2 units. You're getting 2 5 amp hour batteries. You're getting a charger and you're getting a case. This impact, for starters, is amazing. You have 4 different modes on here. You have the 4th mode being that self-tapping mode. So if you're doing any sheet metal work or any, self-tapping screws, this is going to keep you from slipping. It's a really nice feature to have. You have 3 LED lights across the front. So right there, you can see the 3 LED lights. It's all illuminated down below. You've got a belt clip, which you can put on the left and the right-hand side. But I love the stubbiness of this impact. It is by far my favorite of all the Milwaukee impacts out there. Such a nice unit to use. Next off, we have a very impressive hammer drill. This thing plows through wood like nothing. You've got 2 modes of speed on here. You've got the hammer drill. You've got a serious handle, which comes off, but this is on here so well that it's not going to accidentally slip. It can't rotate because it has little teeth that actually bite into the body of this tool. So it's really nicely made. Obviously it's brushless because it's the fuel version. We have an LED light down below, but the cool thing about this drill is the auto stop. So if you are drilling and this gets bound up a little bit, it's not going to spin around. It's just going to stop. So it's not going to hurt your wrist. That is such an important thing to have on a tool that, you're relying on drilling through big pieces of wood, or maybe you're doing holes for some conduit or for ABS pipe. Sometimes these bind. The auto stop protects you. I love that. I think it's a great feature. My whole hog, my dual whole hog came out with that a long time ago. That's why I switched over. But this being so small and compact, I don't even think you need a whole hog anymore. It's that great. All right, guys, awesome kit. Hope the video helped. Keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.